Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing chicken 65, which is a hit when served as an appetizer at parties. The pieces are marinated and coated with spices and flour and double fried to give it that crispy outer layer while still remaining soft and juicy inside. Make sure to fry just before serving, as it tastes best when eaten hot. So let's get straight to the ingredients. The ingredients for the marination. And now the ingredients for the tempering, also known as the Tadka. Method. Chop the chicken into small bite-sized pieces, then add the chicken and all the marination ingredients into a large mixing bowl. That is the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, salt, garam masala powder, cumin seed powder, turmeric powder, coriander seed powder, chopped curry leaves, Kashmiri chilli powder, pepper powder, and the lemon juice. Mix well to combine. Then massage the marinade into the chicken pieces. Set aside to marinate for 1 hour. Alternatively, cover with cling film and marinate in the refrigerator overnight. Then add in the white of an egg, corn flour and rice flour, and then massage the batter once again into the chicken pieces. We're now moving on to the frying stage. Heat oil in a deep frying pan and gently drop the chicken pieces into the hot oil. Deep fry on medium heat until the chicken pieces are 75% done. When the chicken pieces are 75% done, remove and drain on a kitchen towel. Repeat the process of frying the rest of the chicken pieces similarly in batches until 75% done. Then set aside the deep fried pieces to cool, to be fried at a later point just before serving. But you have an alternate option, as you can see in the top right window, where you can fry the chicken until crisp and golden in just one stage, instead of frying it in 2 separate stages as we will be doing next. When you're ready to serve, deep fry the chicken pieces for a second time until crispy and brown, that is 100% done, and remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Similarly, repeat the process of frying the rest of the chicken pieces until crispy and golden brown, and again remove and drain on the kitchen towel. We're now moving on to the tempering stage, or the Tadka. Heat oil in a wok and then drop in the mustard seeds, and when the mustard seeds start to crackle, add in the rest of the ingredients for tempering. That is the cumin seeds, garlic cloves, slit green chillies, and the curry leaves. Next, drop in the fried chicken pieces and mix well to combine. Lastly, garnish with chopped green coriander and remember to serve it hot. It makes a lovely appetizer at parties. So serve with sliced onion rings, fried green chilies, lemon, sauce and chutney, or any other accompaniment of your choice. That's it. Lovely chicken 65. Thank you for stopping by. Give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. Tricky's Kitchen has lots of other chicken recipes that you would like to try out, so be sure to click on the video link on your screen and watch it now.